Good morning, guys. My name is Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist here in Middletown, Ohio, and I work with a lot of pickleball athletes of all ages, but mainly adults. And today I'm unboxing this pickleball set from Athpetic. These guys have been super generous. They reached out to me. They wanted me to test out their new pickleball set. So let's get in here, let's take a look at it, and let's see what's included. I have had the opportunity to talk to the founder of this company. I'm hoping to get him on the YouTube channel so I can interview him because I think he's got some great information for everybody. So this is awesome. It comes with, let's see what we've got. Comes with 4 pickleballs. We've got some backup wrapping. This is wrapping for the handles of the pickleball paddles. We've got this, I'm not sure what this is for. We'll have to figure it out. But it's like a microfiber cloth. I wonder if it's for wiping down and cleaning the paddles. We've got a second microfiber cloth. I've never opened or unboxed a set of paddles that comes with these kinds of wipes. I've also never unboxed a set of paddles that comes with extra grips. Ooh, these are nice. So I'll get the specifications on the material that these are made out of. But one of the things I want to do is I want to get a sense for what the grip feels like. Very nice, very comfortable. I'm about 5'8". This is a comfortable grip size for me. I'll look up the specifications on the weight of the paddles. But if you guys have watched any of my other unboxing videos, you know that I do a fair number of these pickleball set unboxings. And I can tell you that I've just never seen extra grips, microfiber cloth in the other pickleball sets. So guys, I'm gonna give these a try. It's raining outside today, but this weekend I'll get these paddles out on the court. I'll play with my kids, I'll play with some other friends that I have, and we'll let you know what I think of them.